Hey guys, so today we're gonna go over a green kitchen products, and they are made by a company called Green Forest, and all of their products are made with 100% recycled paper. Now you may have watched another video that I did where I say that if you use one paper towel a day, you are cutting 1/4 of a tree every single year. But not with this one because it's all 100% recycled. So Green Forest makes paper towels, they make toilet paper, tissue paper, and they also make some napkins. And they're all dyed with absolutely no chlorine, and they're all hypoallergic, no dyes, no fragrances. So they're all great for you, great for the planet. I've done some extensive research online, and the cheapest paper towels out there are actually only 8 cents cheaper than this one here. So it's not a big difference, and you're helping our planet as well as your health.